Dear student, you are all welcome to online school. I am Tushakanti Mondol, AKBK High School. Today, I will discuss about transformation. We know that there are three kinds of sentence, that is simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Today we will try how we can change a compound sentence into a complex sentence. We know that a compound sentence has one principal clause and more than one subordinate clause that is added by some conjunction and but or otherwise. Our today's topic is how we can change a compound sentence that is added by but into a complex sentence. So dear students, look at this sentence. This is a compound sentence. He is poor but happy. Here, but is a conjunction. So, we'll try how we can change this sentence into a complex sentence. Dear students, when we find a compound sentence that is added by but, if we want to change this sentence into a complex sentence, we have to write though at the beginning of the sentence. So dear students, we can write here though. Though. So what we should do? We write though at the beginning of the sentence. Then the first part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence is he is poor. So we have to write the first, after though, we have to write the first part of the sentence. Here, the first part of the sentence is he is poor. He is poor. Then, look at this sentence. He is poor but happy. Here we write only happy, but some things are missing here. That is the subject and the to be verb. In a compound sentence that is added by but, that is not necessary to write the subject and the to be verb of the sentence. But when we change this sentence into a complex sentence, you must have write the subject and the to be verb. So here the subject, he, and the to be verb is. Then the adjective happy. Happy. So dear students, that is very simple way to change a compound sentence that is added by but into a complex sentence. When we find the compound sentence that is added by but, we can change this sentence into complex sentence to write though at the beginning of the sentence. So here though at the beginning of the sentence, then the first part of the sentence, the first part of the sentence is he is poor. And something is missing in the compound sentence, that is not necessary to write the subject and to be verb. We have to write only the adjective of the sentence. But if we change this sentence into a complex sentence, you must have write the subject and the to be verb, then the adjective. So that is very simple way. Though the first part of the sentence is he is poor, and then he is, and then the adjective. So we can try another sentence. At first, we have to write a compound sentence. Compound. He is rich, but unhappy. This is a compound sentence because this sentence is added by but, a conjunction. So we know that this sentence which is added by but or otherwise, that is a compound sentence. Now we try to change this sentence into a complex sentence. Complex. When we found that the sentence which is added by but, we have to write though at the beginning of the sentence. Though. Then we have to write the first part of the sentence. What is the first part of the sentence? This sentence. The first part of this sentence is he is rich. So you have to write he is rich. Then what should we do? Dear students, look at very carefully. Here conjunction but. We must omit but to change this sentence into a complex sentence. So we have to omit but, and we have to write the subject and the to be verb of the sentence, which is in the first part of the sentence. He is. Clear? We have to write he is. He is. Then the adjective. What is the adjective of the sentence? Unhappy. He is unhappy. Clear? He is unhappy. So that is a very simple way to change a compound sentence into a complex sentence. Dear students, look at very carefully. The sentence is a compound sentence that is added by but. When you find a compound sentence that is added by but, you can change it very easily to write though at the beginning of the sentence. Then the first part of the sentence. Before the what? Before what? The first part of the sentence. Here the first part of the sentence is he is rich. So you have to write he is rich. Then something is missing in this sentence that is not necessary to write a compound sentence. Because look at very, very carefully. He is rich but unhappy. Something is missing, that is he is unhappy. But you don't write it in a compound sentence. That is not necessary. But if you want to change this sentence into a complex sentence, you must write the subject and to be of the second part of the sentence, but another clause of the sentence. The another clause unhappy, and this clause is completed by he is unhappy. So he is rich but unhappy. We can change this sentence into a complex sentence by writing though at the first part of the sentence, then the though and the first part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence is he is rich. Then the subject and to be of the first part of the sentence, and the last part of the sentence is unhappy. So dear listeners, dear students, I will give you some home tasks. You will try it, and I hope that you will easily complete the sentence into a complex sentence. You have to write a compound sentence now. He is poor but honest. This is a compound sentence. Your home task is you will try to change this sentence into a complex sentence. Complex sentence. So dear students, I hope this is a very simple way that I learned in these classes, and you will try yourself to change this sentence into a complex sentence. So dear students, our today's class is ended, and I will come back again into another classes. So goodbye.